Welcome! You've just created your new account. Let's walk through 3 quick steps to set things up so you can start attracting customers and growing sales automatically. Step 1. Enter your business details. This ensures customers can easily find you, contact you, and connect with your business. Step 2. Set up your autopilot, the smart engine that helps you find new customers and engage with them automatically. Add a bonus or special offer to your messages. This makes them more appealing and motivates customers to act. Step 3. Grow your customer list. The bigger your list, the higher your sales. Connect your website to turn clicks into customers. Link your social media to turn likes and followers into customers. Share your sign-up link and use QR codes. Every source you connect feeds your autopilot. That's it. Once everything's ready, turn it on and let the magic happen. Your autopilot will take care of the rest, finding customers, sending offers, and helping your business grow automatically. Set it up once, watch it work every day. Ready to grow?